to the living room. With camera in the corner. The night vision filming 8-hour battery pack. Film all night long so we can capture whatever happens in this room. This is Samantha's room. We have a camera on the tripod recording the night vision with an 8-hour battery pack. Whatever is, it's not happening. And then if we cross the hall, sorry. And we're also, we have a camera in the corner.
Can you please turn that off?